Yo, Rocket City Classic Cars back with another video. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Out here at Brown's Record Service. Found this Firebird. We're gonna get the seats out of it. But yeah, come check us out. Brown's Record Service in Huntsville. Got a little bit of everything. Trying to pull this to a dry area, but I'll be getting the seats out of this for my Firebird project.
The hood off that Trans Am. It's $9.
Woo.
I bought that at work. You be over here a little bit. 15. Straight on with that thing. Give me cars.
Yeah.
They got stuff they don't want to use it.
Definitely.
All the time they got wheels on them.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah.
Man, them front tags that say Trans Am on them, they must be valuable.
Somebody got them already?
Well, I had everybody give me up about that.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming that thing, like I say, I got the hood off this. That's what I wanted off of it, because I'm taking it all hanging in the shop.
Oh yeah.
Man, I see that thing worth about $500.
Yeah, the hoods? Yeah.
I'm not selling it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Well, if you wanted the bumper's about done. We got the Firebird under the barn area. Just take a little walk around, man. It's not much. This was a Trans Am. Not many of the parts are still salvageable. The motor has been pulled along with the transmission, but I'm getting the seats, y'all. About to put this in my Firebird. It's a little dirty, but hey, a tree fell on this car actually. But once these seats get cleaned up, it'll be nice. It'll be nice. Yes, sir. Man, this was a good vehicle back in 2001. Bumper's pretty much shot. As you can see. Well, I guess somebody can still use it. I don't know. Yep. Got a radiator. It's a 2001, y'all. Like I said, the seats are in good condition. A little hole right there, but hey, for $50, you can't beat that. $50 for these seats.